Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly special for all the electronics enthusiasts and DIY hobbyists out there. Introducing the best Luxpro Micro LED, the Bowerful 25PC's pre-soldered micro Litz wired leads white SMD LED 0603. This compact LED lighting solution is perfect for a wide range of projects, whether you're building models, repairing gadgets, or creating intricate LED displays. Let's dive right into what makes this product stand out. The Bowerful Micro LEDs come in a pack of 25, and these tiny yet powerful lights are designed specifically for tight spaces and detailed work. Each LED is sized at 0603, measuring just 0.06 by 0.03 inches. This small footprint makes it ideal for miniature applications, allowing you to add lighting without taking up much room. One of the highlights of these LEDs is their pre-soldered wires. Each LED is equipped with a micro Litz wire that is approximately 100 mm long, making it easy to connect them to your circuits without the hassle of soldering yourself. The anode wire is easily recognizable with a red color, while the cathode wire is silver, simplifying your connections. And check this out, when connected to a voltage between 3 to 3.3 volts, these LEDs shine brightly in a pure white light. If you're using different power supplies, you can easily adjust the voltage using resistors, which are also included in the pack. This versatility means you can use these LEDs with a variety of batteries or power sources, including 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volt setups. These LEDs aren't just for models. Think about all the creative applications. You can use them for DIY electronics projects, decorative lighting, and even in art installations. Their robust design features a resin cover that not only protects the LEDs but also enhances their durability, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of your projects. Whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting out, the Bowerful Micro LED is a fantastic choice for adding that extra touch of brightness to your creations. And at a price point of just $10.99 for 25 pieces, you're getting incredible value for quality LED lights that won't break the bank. In summary, the Bowerful 25PC's pre-soldered micro Litz wired leads white SMD LED 0603 is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their projects with quality lighting. With its small size, easy connectivity, and excellent performance, it's truly a fantastic product to consider. So, if you're in the market for a reliable micro LED solution, make sure to check this one out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews and tech tips. Until next time, keep creating and illuminating your world with the best tools at your disposal.